Everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Yara. I hope you guys are having an amazing and blessed day. Today I'm back with another Dollar Tree haul. I hope you guys enjoy. And now my loves, let's get started. Start with the fall decoration, but this is the first one. This one says be grateful and give thanks. The colors, especially for fall, of course. And the other one that I found is this Adam blessings. I don't know if I'm pronouncing this right, but look how stunning this is as well. Super beautiful. I love the colors. So I'm gonna start picking up little decorations that I find. But how precious are these? And they do have a bag so you can hang it in your house or anywhere you wanna put them at. They just stand really well. Dining table, they're gonna stand up perfectly, or you can hang them on your wall, whatever floats your boat. But they're stunning and I wanted to share with you guys. Beautiful decorations that I found are this one. Let me start with the orange one. This one says thankful, grateful, blessed. How stunning is this little decoration? And this one says together with grateful hearts. How beautiful is this? These are the only ones that I picked up, but they do have different ones that say different sayings and different colors, but I just want to keep it on the black, white, and orange colors. Of course, a little bit of pop with the color gold, and the glittery gold is so beautiful, stunning. I love it. I can't wait to have my whole house decorated. And they do have a lot of decorations for Halloween as well, but I love this when I saw this. But yeah, if you're already looking for Halloween stuff, then you need to run to your Dollar Tree because they have a bunch of Halloween stuff already. But I had to get my hands on this for Thanksgiving and start decorating for fall, of course. Okay, so my loves, and now from the kitchen section, pick up, but this is the first item. It's just for your kitchen decorations. This one says coffee time. I mean, we all love coffee, right? No matter if it's winter, if it's summer, we drink coffee all the time, every single day if we can. But I love this and I love the colors. Of course, it's to prevent burning your countertops or whatever you use it for, but these are beautiful. They do have different kinds. And then of course I had to get a oven mint. Look how stunning this is. This one says coffee time as well, and like I said, we all love coffee in this house. So yeah, to get this, I don't know if you guys know, but I do bake cakes when I have time. In my free times I love baking cakes. Sometimes I sell them, sometimes it's just for a family member's birthday, but I needed a mint because I burned the other one by accident. But how stunning is this? It's just beautiful, and I can't wait to use it for my next cake. And of course I had to get a little kitchen towel. This one is a different team. They do have this little shaft. They have everything of shaft, but since it's more on the white side, I wanted something that was more red and black so I can keep it cleaner. It's here to keep this kind of colors clean than when they are all white. So this is the only towel that they kind of match my other coffee time theme. But I got this one for tortillas or to dry my plates, whatever I need it for, but it's stunning. I wanted to share with you guys. Another item that I got for my kitchen is this little thing. I love using these little ones, especially for eggs. I do have a bigger one, of course, but sometimes I get so lazy to use a bigger one for one egg, so I end up using a fork. But when I saw this, I knew I needed this, especially when I make a little bit of cupcakes or something small that I don't need to use my big one. I was so happy I found this, and of course in the color item that I found for my kitchen. I don't know if this works, but sometimes it happens that we order pizza and they don't cut it right. I'm sure it has happened to you guys, and it makes me so upset. So I just had to pick this up for $1. I think it's worth it, and I hope it works. I have never tried this before, but I'm really hoping that it works. But this is what it looks like. Just that pizza cutter. I had to get some toothpicks, and what's better than to get a Dollar Tree? It comes with 500 for $1. I'll share another video with you guys, but we did get a little baby puppy. She's a Pomeranian and she's stunning. I'll insert a picture of her. She's beautiful. She's white. This is the first time I see an extra small this for her, and I mean she's so white, so she's gonna look stunning with this. But like you can notice, it is an extra small color, and it'll say for Chihuahua or miniature poodle, which is she's just a little bitty Pomeranian, but this is stunning. Hopefully in the future I can make a video of me, my puppy. I've seen a lot of videos of those going around, what I bought for my puppy and things like that. I'm not sure the names, but I'll think about it. You guys can officially meet her. But this is stunning. I'm gonna start with like beauty related products, but this is the first item that I want to share with you guys. This is stunning. Look how beautiful this is. I want to use this for either place some brushes in here. I think that would look stunning, or even some beauty blenders, put them in here, whatever fits. It is a little small, but only kind that they had. I wish they had different kinds. For this is what I found, and I had to get my hands on this. I was so excited to share with you guys so I can finally place some brushes here. So like you guys can see, it fits a few brushes. It can even fit more, like you can notice, but I just wanted to share with you guys how it will look with brushes, or you can even use it for lip pencils, beauty sponges, whatever you want. But I just wanted to share with you. It's stunning. Get your hands on it. Little items are for the hair, and I found this beautiful brushes. This is a tease brush, and this is a brush and comb. This one is a 2-in-1, and this is what the brush looks like. This is to tease your hair. If you want a lot of volume, you can use this brush, but I wanted to pick this up especially to see if I can start doing the edges on the corner on my forehead. I don't know if you guys seen it, but I think it looks stunning, and I wanted to try these two different brushes, see which one it works. Once I figured out how I can make it work, and if I love that how the edges look on myself, because I seem gross with them and they look stunning. If I like how it looks on me, I would make a tutorial on that for you. So make sure you subscribe and turn on the bell notifications so you don't miss that tutorial. Next item, of course, I had to get more bobby pins. I lose this like they were lashes. I just lose them. I leave them everywhere, in the shower, everywhere. But $72 for $1 is nothing, so I had to get my hands on this. Okay, so this time I was able to find two beautiful brushes. Again, they're by e.l.f. and this one is the stimulant brush. It is small, and the size small, and then I also have a fan brush. I never seen a fan brush at Dollar Tree, so I had to get my hands on it, and I did pick up two of them. So I had already used it on my face today for my highlight, and it looks stunning. It worked great, so I do recommend these two brushes for you. They're stunning, and I love this kind of brushes, especially for primer, foundation, or even concealer. They work really, really good, and they get the job done. I was able to find another phone stand, but in the rose gold shade. I had to get one for me because we're obsessed with this, especially when I'm cooking, washing dishes, doing my makeup. I love watching YouTube videos or movies or a Netflix show, so I had to get this. I love the color. My husband is obsessed with his. You can also find it in blue and in a gray kind of black color. So like one for my husband and this color for me, which is love them. We're obsessed with them, and you need to get your hands on them for $1, and it makes your life so much easier. I would find a facial mist. You guys know I talked about this in my last video. I'm obsessed with the cucumber and aloe vera facial mist. I couldn't find this kind last time, so this time I was able to find it, and I had to get my hands on it. It works great for priming and setting your makeup. It will last all day long, and it makes your face feel hydrated throughout the whole day. I'm obsessed with it. So this foundation is near Dollar Tree. You need to get your hands on this. These were really famous when they first came out, but they're by Wet n Wild, and it's the Mega Cushion foundation, and it does have a CPF of 15. I love it. I was able to find two colors. I found the medium warm, and I found the honey beige, so hopefully it matched my skin really well. I can't wait to try it out. I have never tried this foundation, so I'm excited to test it out for you guys. So again, make sure you subscribe and turn on the bell so you don't miss my future videos. Got a bunch of new videos and new content is coming up really, really soon. The best part of when I get my nails done is when they add the oil, because my cuticles get really, really dry after they're done with all the filing and all this bad stuff they do to your nail. But I can't believe I found this at Dollar Tree cuticle oil, and I can't wait to use this. But yeah, hopefully it works really, really nice as the ones at that salon. Last random item. I don't know if this works, but this is BC, and this is two razors. So I got two razors for a price of one. Hopefully they work nice, but this is what it looks like. that is the last item. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the bell notifications so you don't miss my Dollar Tree hauls, my makeup tutorials, and many more things that I offer in this channel. I love you so much, and I'll see you in the next one.